Freshly baked, grandma's recipe, soft to bite, delicious to eat, variety of flavors. Any guesses to what I'm talking about? That's right, homemade nut rolls. St. Nicolas Orthodox Church has a tradition since 1937 of making nut rolls during the holidays.
It's a very huge process. I shop all week long, and the men set up the tables, and on Friday I had about 4 people or 5 come and help make the dough, and the recipe has been a part of the church tradition for quite a few years, and it's the same recipe that was used, say, by our mothers and our grandmothers. Even today, though we're finished with the rolling of the dough, we still have quite a few to bake, clean up, and then we put the rolls into their orders. So when the public comes in tomorrow, we have their orders arranged for them so that we can find their names easily and have them take them out.
The church has a few clubs and organizations within it. This one that does the baking and cooking is known as the St. Nicolas Society, and it's comprised of both men and women. Its former name was the St. Mary's Altar Society and was formed in 1937 and only had women in it. Since then, the congregation has changed. The group decided roughly 10 years ago to allow men in, and this is what changed the name. Its main focus is the same: maintain the altar drapes, clothes, robes, and the kitchen.
Anywhere from 10 members, and a lot of guests, friends, family, some family that have moved away, have traveled. Today we have a gentleman here that was born and baptized from this church, and I believe now he's attending another church somewhere on the north side of Pittsburgh, I believe. And we actually have a visitor helping us today from Cleveland, Ohio. That was originally from Donora. She drives in every Christmas and Easter to help bake.
The current president, Pauline Petro, has been able to get the people to come on Saturdays to bake and prepare pierogi, whereas the original group did these jobs during the week. Their customers are from all over. Some live nearby, and there are some that are being shipped to North Carolina to one of their former parishioners. For the Point Park News Service, I'm Amy Fink.